This bird just flew by me and landed. He's oddly close to me, so maybe I'm near her nest, or she is not afraid of me at all. She had flown by me up, 100 yards from here, really close, and landed on a tree. So she came back. Kind of odd. Pretty cool. I was down here looking at some rocks, and I was planning on coming down in this section, which had sort of collected up a new batch of quite a good bit of rock. As you can see, it's a little bit tore up, but anyway, very odd. I got a visit. See if I see anything. See if maybe that brought me any luck. If anybody can tell me what type of bird that was, leave it in the comments. It was kind of cool. Interesting. I need to bring my blower down here and blow the leaves away. That's a pretty color. Kind of uniquely blue. Look at the agate stripes, lines in there. Those are unique. That's gorgeous. That's really pretty. This one looks nice. I can tell that one's nice. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love that opaque color. The look of that color of the rock. I really like that when it does that. That's beautiful. Oh, that sounded like a woodpecker. Did you hear that? I feel like this bank is producing some nice rocks. I can see some quartz and calcite coming out right there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's really nice. I'm gonna blow this area off with my blower and come back and look and see what it uncovers. I'm sure that there are some nice stones out here. Let's just see if my friend comes back. Anyway, again, if you know what type of bird that was, let me know. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to go back and look at it myself and see if I can see.